I for igloo. J for jug. K for kite. L for line. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sheep. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.